Hey, Shawnee from SpeedCubeShop.com. I got a puzzle. This is from SpeedCubeShop, but it's a Rubik's branded puzzle. And this looks super simple. I know the puzzle. I know what kind it is, and it's not. They only put it in the yellow for difficulty. I think this should be an orange or, halfway there because, well, I think I just have to show you. I got to take this apart. So, link in the description where you can get it. This looks like you should be able to turn that tip. Like just spin this around, but you cannot. This actually turns like this and like this. This is a shape mod of a 2x2. This is a hot mess, and even though it's just a 2x2, I know people that get completely lost on this sort of thing. So first, I'm just going to solve one layer, and I see this red and yellow, so I need to turn this. If I hold it like this, I can move it up, turn, back, down. Come on. So R, U, R prime, U prime. And there we go. Let's do this one. This just needs to be the solid red. So we can insert like an F2L situation. So like a 2x2, this looks like it's done, but we need to just swap two pieces. Now you can have odd parity on a 2x2. And so this would be like doing a Y permutation. Now I'm really afraid to try to do a Y permutation on this, but we'll try it. So
where's what's gonna look like that? Okay. So that would be like, wait, hold on. F, there we go. F. And then whoop, R, U prime, U, R, U, R prime, F.
Sledgehammer. I think I completely messed it up. So I'm never, well, that looks really cool. Okay, definitely not going to try and do Y perm again. So let's start this over. There we go. And now, if that's set, this is like an A permutation. So if I hold it like this, it's going to rotate like that. I can do
L, F prime, L, B2, L prime, F, L, B2, L2.
Ooh, nope, I think I did something wrong. No, it's good. I just need to twist a few corners. So, because I didn't orient them. So twist these ones. What's the best way of doing this? So this one needs to be twisted counterclockwise. That one's clockwise. So I can just do... There we go. See, even I struggled with this. So anyways, there's no like magnets to click into place. These are tiles, which is really nice. That way stickers don't peel off, but it looks like a stickered puzzle, which is really cool because it's that classic feel to it. But this is, what do they call it? They call it the Rubik's Pyramid. It's a 2x2 shape mod. It is so much more challenging than it looks. I would say this would be something to get after you learn how to do a 3x3. Technically, you could do it after just knowing how to do a 2x2. But, so let me know your thoughts about this puzzle. Leave your thoughts and questions down in the comment section below. Hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future. And as always, keep following SpeedCube Review for more news and reviews.